Crap, we have a leak. Today we're putting up the walls and finishing everything. You can kind of see behind me. Today was another exhausting day. We put in the walls, as you can see. Right now we're doing a support so that the glue will dry, but we also have screws in. What else did we do? I mean, not me, but the family. We added, extended the plumbing so that it would go over the top, and then it'll fit within the drywall. And what else? Actually, let's go look at the drain. But we added the. Did we do plumbing today? We had to adjust it a little bit. But we added the drain. So right above me, you can see copper piping. But if you come over this way, we added PVC. Something's leaking, and that's not good. Crap, we have a leak. Ah, no. So I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try snaking my camera behind that back paneling to see if I can tell where the leak is, and I'm going to use my selfie stick to get back there. So let's see what we can see. I didn't see anything. I don't know. It looks all dry to me from there, but obviously from the bottom it's not. You know, they say worst case scenario. I think we hit the worst case scenario. So, been panicking for the last few minutes. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Panicking for the last few minutes. Finding this. And I think I have a plan. I just, it's not a great plan, but it should work. We only have about 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 to 5 hours of before my family are no longer going to be here. So I think we can fix that in time if we can figure out the problem. It might not be that big of an issue. Well, obviously it's a big issue, but... So what I'm thinking is we're going to cut through the back, which is through a closet. So if Leah can clean out the closet while we board up the drywall, I could cut a hole in the drywall through the closet, get back there. I don't know how well we can work back there, and then replace the drywall in the closet, which nobody will notice anyway. So if I do a half-assed job, but I have people. I think I can replace drywall. Don't know much about handyman stuff or how drywall. I mean, drywall. I don't know. I don't know how it works. So, whew. But leaking's bad. That's all I know. Okay. I'll let you know in the morning.